Welcome to the Ripto Win channel. Today we will talk about the price of internet computer for the next few weeks. Like and subscribe to the channel before watching this video. As soon as we gain 1,000 subscribers on the channel, we will immediately give away 2 bitcoins among all who subscribed. Internet Computer, ICP, went public on Friday last week and became the 4th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization before recovering some of its profits. The Internet Computer, ICP, is part of a larger blockchain project that has been in operation for 5 years now and is developed by the Swiss non-profit organization Dfinity to extend blockchain to the entire internet. According to the Internet Computer website, ICP bills itself as the 3rd largest blockchain innovation in the world, while Bitcoin and Ethereum are the top 2. Dfinity founder Dominic Williams says the blockchain he created was inspired by Ethereum and that interoperability between the two is the first goal. Internet Computer is a secure, decentralized, and cost-effective blockchain network that aims to enhance the functionality of the internet. It is hosted on a network of computers distributed around the world and is being launched to run next-generation mega-apps, decentralized versions of Uber, eBay, Facebook that Ethereum faces, without compromising security or decentralization. Dfinity claims that Internet Computer can complete transactions in 1 to 2 seconds. For comparison, Bitcoin takes about 10 minutes, while Ethereum takes 15 seconds, depending on network congestion. The ICP token provides gas to the network and allows holders to vote on proposals that will shape the future of Internet Computer. The idea is that the Internet Computer, ICP, extends the functionality of the public internet to host software. While it sounds complicated, it's easier to think of the project is like a cloud network. The Internet Computer, ICP, is like a massive blockchain-based cloud network where programmers can create and host their own software and smart contracts directly on the internet. Instead of running Internet Computer, ICP, software on your own computer, you can literally use this new global computer. Internet Computer is truly a groundbreaking idea, though not overly ambitious. Most of the people behind ICP and Dfinity are experts in their respective fields. The organization's scientists and experts collectively hold over 200 patents and over 100,000 academic references. Internet Computer, ICP, is much more serious than just a cryptocurrency focused on a speculative joke. Internet Computer, ICP, is a great example of a cryptocurrency project that aims to be a long-term project. Thus, along with an impressive team of experts at Dfinity, Internet Computer, ICP, seems to have a lot of potential as a long-term blockchain project. As for the price itself, it's hard to say. The fact that ICP managed to become the 4th largest cryptocurrency just days after it went public sounds incredible. The sky is currently the target price, and in the long term, Internet Computer, ICP, Tether, Cardano, and Dogecoin may outshine other cryptocurrencies in terms of market cap. Internet Computer, ICP, is currently trading at $48.11. This makes Internet Computer the 20th largest crypto project in the world. The founder of Galaxy Digital and the king of Bitcoin, Mike Novogratz, actively supports this cryptocurrency Internet Computer and advised the Game of Thrones star Maisie Williams to boldly buy it. Prices can go up to $100 per ICP. However, any bearish move in the current crypto bull market could change this target, at least in the short term. In the long run, the ICP could reach $1,000 in a year or two. Currently, many exchanges list ICPs separately, but the 2 largest exchanges to buy ICPs are Binance and Coinbase. Both currently account for the bulk of ICP's transaction volume. While not as recommended as Coinbase and Binance, Huobi Global is the 3rd exchange to buy ICPs. The rate of the Internet Computer, ICP, cryptocurrency is currently $48.11. Over the past 7 days, the Internet Computer rate has grown by 39.96%. The cost of the cryptocurrency in 24 hours decreased by 0.18%. The ICP trading volume per day, 24 hours, on the stock exchanges amounted to $923,816,000. The Internet Computer may grow in price in the short term by plus 9% to $52.33 from $48.11. The system predicts growth of plus 7% from $48.11 to $51.30 over the next month. Internet Computer predicts the price of $107.77 in a year. These predictions often change depending on the current sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Do you like our video? Like and subscribe to the channel. As soon as we gain 1,000 subscribers on the channel, we will immediately give away 2 Bitcoins among all who subscribed.